My dear brothers and sisters, today's reading is a little bit tricky. If you follow the books, you have to open in the Wednesday. But if you follow online, usually correct. Otherwise, today's reading, Gospel, same with yesterday. That's why every year A change like this. My dear brothers and sisters, the reading from Prophet Jeremiah and from the Gospel of Matthew teach us a powerful teaching about faith, about obedience. In the first reading from the prophet Jeremiah, we see God's guidance through his prophet. Jeremiah speaks against false prophets who lead people astray. This reminds us that God cares about our direction in life and wants to keep us on the right path. If we concern with our inner voice, we keep our heart clean, usually they will tell us if we doing wrong things. Something happened in our heart. So God cares about our direction. If we walk in the wrong path, He reminds us, this is wrong. Please come back to the right path. Jeremiah's obedience to God's difficult command show the importance of listening to God, even when it is hard. Sometimes we listen already, we followed already, but because many things we afraid, we might face challenges or temptation. But following God's guidance leads us to true peace. But along the way, maybe we face difficult things. But as long as we follow God's guidance, trusting in His direction, will help us avoid false teaching that can harm our faith. God's guidance can come through many things, through prayers, through the scriptures, wise counsel, etc. Seeking His will daily, keeping our heart clean, will keep us alight with His plans. And we are encouraged to listen closely to God's voice and follow Him with courage and trust. And then, in the Gospel, we listen how Jesus walked on the water, and then Peter also followed it. This show us small things. When we trust God and act on His instruction, amazing things can happen. Peter simply said, Lord, if it is you, command me to come to you on the water. Jesus said, come. And then Peter go out on the boat and began to walk. But when he saw how strong the wind was, he became frightened. Once he frightened, he began to sink. So, listening is the first part. Listening to God's will. Yes. Peter listened and also follow but he not really trust in Jesus. When he saw the wind and then wave start frightening and sink. This is happen in our life sometimes. We try our best to listen and to follow. But because along the way there is a lot of things happen, we afraid. Sometimes we lose our faith. Today's reading teach us really to put trust in Him. If we really have this faith, even though small, will lead us to a great things. My dear brothers and sisters, our faith grows stronger when we see God's work in our life. Maybe we not like Peter or the disciple see Jesus walk on the water. But by taking steps of faith, we witness His power and care in our life. Trusting God and acting on His word can bring about blessing for us, also for others. Amen.